Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to tell you how to download Python for Windows. So let's start. So first of all, go to your browser and type here python.org. This is the official website of Python. Here you can download Python by just clicking on this downloads, and from here you can download Python for Windows, Macs and also for other platforms. So I will download for Windows because my operating system is Windows. So here so many versions of Python are displaying. I want to download this version 3.9.7. So here it is mentioned that for 32-bit and 64-bit. So this is our system type. If you don't know the system type, you can just go to this PC and right click here, and from here click on properties. Then you will able to see your system type. In my PC my system type is 64-bit, so I will download 64-bit. I will just click on it to download. If your is 32-bit, so you can download from here. And also you have to download this also for Python. So guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.